Everyone's talking about the iPhone 17 and Galaxy S25, but quietly, OPPO just dropped something that could change the entire game, the Find X9. And trust me, this is not just another phone. This thing might be the biggest underdog of 2025. Why? Because OPPO isn't trying to play catch-up anymore. They're going for the kill shot. A 200-millimeter periscope camera powered by MediaTek's brand new Dimensity 9500 chip and a design so futuristic it makes Apple look safe. But here's the thing, this isn't hype. The early impressions, the hands-on tests, the leaks, all point to one simple fact. The Find X9 could be the phone that finally puts OPPO in the same league as Apple and Samsung. The question is, can OPPO really deliver? Or is this just another overpromised flagship destined to flop? Because while the spec sheet screams innovation, we've seen brands talk big before and fail even bigger. A camera system built for creators, triple sensors, insane zoom range, and Hasselblad tuning. A chip that's not just fast, but AI-driven. Real-time video processing, battery optimization, and gaming at 120 FPS. And a design, slim, curved, glass that feels like the future in your hand. But here's what nobody's talking about. OPPO is pricing this aggressively. Rumors say way less than an iPhone Pro Max, which means, if you're paying attention, this might be the phone that redefines value in the premium market. Over the next few weeks, we'll test every detail. The camera, the battery, the real-world performance. But right now, one thing is clear. The Find X9 isn't just another flagship. It's a warning shot to Apple, Samsung, and Google. So, if you don't want to miss what happens next, hit that subscribe button, because this story is just getting started.